Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be demoing off Patriotic Skybuster. It's a 126 shot 350 type of a cake. It's also by Winda Fireworks, as you see. This is what the tube layout looks like. Pretty small tubes, I would say, but 126 shots. What do you expect, right? So anyways, this is what the performance reads if I can find it. There we go. There's some pictures about what it does. But here we go. If you guys want to pause the video, you guys can read the performance. It has red, green, red, silver, and blue, or red, white, and blue cake. It's a firing pattern. It's a fan / straight. So hopefully I can get the angles on video. 80 seconds duration, 9 out of 10 for noise, and also has a tail effect. So anyways, and you also can scan and watch the code down here. So anyways, let's get on to the demo of Patriotic Skybuster, 126 shots by Winda Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Patriotic Skybuster, 126 shots by Winda Fireworks. Here we go. Patriotic Skybuster. Not bad, really good piece. Definitely pick it up at Pro Fireworks.